Hello viewers, welcome to today's Christmas special vlog.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells on bobtail ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
The process behind this colorful musical recording begins here with my practice. And here I am cleaning the space and creating the space for my online performance. Nowadays, we are doing online performance only because of COVID, of course, and all my group members are also doing the same thing. And here I am recreating the space according to the theme of Christmas. Here we need some greenery plus some lighting so that we can create the aura of Christmas. Actually, whenever we do performances, especially classical dance performances, we offer our performances to the God, to the audience, and to our gurus. And for that we need very clean, neat and beautiful space for performance, and that's what I am trying to do all that here also. Here I am putting some green plants, tabletops, of course, which I have already created and you saw it in my earlier videos also. And I am creating that. So you can see some lanterns, diyas and these green plants here, and this is my prize. Okay, and now here I am cleaning at the door, and you can see all the photographs of my theater group performances on the door. I am cleaning here everything and creating it for my performance. Actually, I really feel very happy that I can celebrate all the festivals, really. Now here you can see all the beautiful creations, lanterns, green plants, small plants, Natraj and globe. I'm doing this vlog in English because Christmas is celebrated all over the world, and English is the language which can reach up to more and more people, more and more audience. That's why. And here I am preparing for my costume, performance costume, and we chose the color of red and white because red and white is the main color of Christmas. Like Santa Claus also wears it, and red is the color of celebration, joy, love, affection, strongness, power, enthusiasm, brightness. So we are using these colors only, and white is the, of course, the color of peace and serenity. So this is the theme of Christmas: peace, serenity, happiness, joy, festivity, enthusiasm and all. So now you can see I am ready with my costume for performance. Now let us move on to the jewelry part and makeup portion. since it is Bharatnatyam based performance, means classical performance, so we are using only temple jewelry, which you can see here, and very minimal jewelry because our costume is like that. So we are using this kind of jewelry. All my group members are using such traditional jewelry only. Red bindi, I'm married, that's why I'm using sindoor also. Alta is very much there, and similar other things like foundation and kajal, lip gloss plus lipstick and all that, whichever is required in makeup, minimal. So we decided to use this much. And of course the Christmas cap is very much there. And this way I am getting ready for my performance. You can see alta on my feet, and this is Christmas themed cake which my younger son brought for me. And actually he got a gift after his performance. He got these two cakes, chocolate cake and that red velvet cake, and he brought home them. And I thought, okay, before my performance I'll cut both the cakes so that auspicious starting can be done with this. So here I am cutting the cake. Red velvet cake, one of my favorite flavors. Yes, it was really yummy. And now it's turn for the chocolate one. It was also yummy. I love all types of cakes, I tell you. Yeah, I'm very much fond of cakes, and red velvet is one of my favorites. Chocolate is also favorite, but it's very difficult to choose which one is my most favorite one. Okay, now it's time for the Christmas cake cutting. And this is after my performance, after the recording. This is plum cake, Christmas special cake, and I used to bring it during this period because this is available for very short span of time, from Christmas to New Year only. This is available in market for very short span of time. So I used to bring it every time, and you will get this at my place during this period. So I'm ready with this plum cake. Let's enjoy plum cake now. One thing is there, whether it is plum cake of Christmas or modak puran pori of Ganesh Utsav, payosh of Durga Puja, khichdi and payosh, and kada prasad and langar of Guru Purab. And yes, sattu ke laddu of Tej plus sargi and fedis of Ramzan and Karwa Chauth. I adore each and everything. Not only because of eatables, but because of the essence of these festivals, because of the morals behind these festivals. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this Christmas vlog. Actually, I celebrate each and every festival like this only with full enthusiasm and full zeal. Actually, festivals are like celebration of life for me, and I do all the preparations similar the way I showed you today. As you know, I started my first vlog on the day of Mahalaya. So Mahalaya is known as Bengali festival. After that, I did a vlog on Guru Purab also. Guru Purab is considered as festival of six, and now this is Christmas. And I feel ki all festivals are mine because I want to enjoy each and every moment of life, whatever pretext it is. I'm happy with it. Anyways, and moral of this festival is also like that, because Christ sacrificed his life for the sake of
love and happiness. Without love and happiness, there is nothing in this world, trust me. With the hatred, you cannot make anyone happy. So, better to shed this hatred and be in love with everyone and celebrate the life, celebrate the enthusiasm of life, celebrate the zeal of life, celebrate the colors of life, celebrate humanity. So, with all these words, be happy, and once again, Merry Christmas to all of you, and enjoy your life like this. And with this is time to sign out now. And if you have liked my vlog, please like and comment on it. And if you haven't liked anything in this vlog, please don't hesitate to dislike it. Even then, comment on it so that I can improve my vlogging skills in future too. And please subscribe this if you have not done the same till now, and share it with your all near and dear ones, and press bell icon so that you won't miss any notification of my upcoming vlogs, because I'll bring vlogs like this only, the happy-go-lucky moments of my life, how I celebrate life. I will bring that only. And now it is time to say bye-bye with this. Yes, Merry Christmas and bye-bye.